And new this morning, a local family-owned technical college focused on the automotive industry is thanking those who have worked closest to the COVID-19 pandemic. Ohio Technical College says that the pandemic has really hit frontline workers and their families hard. They're now offering a 50% tuition scholarship to currently employed first responders, also healthcare workers. Mike Ambrose is in charge of the college's enrollment. He told me that life the past 2 years has been very difficult for everybody, but even more so for nurses, medics, police officers, and others.
And it got me thinking back to 9/11 when I was in New York, how everybody rallied around first responders. And I think the pandemic brought that back of just how important what these people do every day and what they sacrifice for us.
So Ambrose said that this is a good opportunity for anybody looking to change careers, perhaps somebody who's retiring and looking to learn some new skill sets. More information is on our website, cleveland19.com, under the Seen on TV section.
Now.